Alright guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we'll be replaying a trade this morning. I didn't take a trade this morning. I was sleeping because I worked last night. But yeah, we'll be replaying and seeing, or like doing a recap and see what trade I would have took, or if I would have taken any trade at all. So let's go right into replay mode. Let me turn that off. Okay, so 8:30. All right, so you know the deal. Let's mark out everything that's on the 15 minutes. So let's see what we got here. We got a bearish for value gap right there. And we have another bearish for value gap right here. And then we continue to have more bearish fair value gaps up here. And then we continue. All right, then we also have these swing highs though. This would be an intermediate high because it's right in the middle of a fair value gap. So this is a sell side liquidity, or buy side liquidity, I mean. I'm also going to label all these as 15-minute fair value gaps. Just so you know, when we hop back down into the 5-minute, we know what we're looking at here. Come on. All right, we got another swing high right here too. And then a 15-minute fair value gap. And then we obviously have swing highs up here where you're just going to go for the biggest swing high right there. Also for the day, so previous day high would be that high, and then previous day low we already took out at 8:30 this morning, so, or last night I guess. And then on the 4-hour, let's see. So I think continue to go higher, go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We could have a reverse right here. We do have like a little break of structure on this right here. Or not really a break of structure, I guess, but I mean, we'll see. Could either have a reversal in trend or just continue to go higher right here. So back down to the 15-minute. So we got all this liquidity played out, and we have sell side liquidity right here. So this is sell side liquidity, and then we have some sell side liquidity right here. So you know the deal. Everything's marked out on the 15-minute time frame before market open. Oh, actually, hold on. This is after. I don't know why it changes so much, bro. Here. So sell side liquidity, we have this right here. And then we have this one right here, which will be our last target, because I mean, we could be going, oh, come on now. We could be going lower. We could hit that far one down there. Right down here. So those are all sell side liquidities. I think we'll be going for this closer one, obviously. Anything else? I mean, we got this tiny little fair value gap right here. Obviously you got disrespected. Any bearish fair value gaps? I mean, we kind of have this one right here. Or bullish, I mean. They all been got disrespected though. Then we have this one that actually got respected, so we could be going lower. So this is bullish, or bearish, I mean, right here. But yeah, let's just add all these. That's fine. And then we'll just get rid of the green one because it got disrespected. And this one actually we'll get rid of because it got disrespected already. This one got respected right here. We'll look at this. But yeah, then we'll come in. Hopefully, if we disrespect all of these, we'll be targeting. I think if we disrespect this one, we'll be targeting this buy side liquidity. And then if we disrespect this one, we'll be targeting all-time highs. And then if we if we continue to make, or if we respect them and then make more bearish fair value gaps, we'll see. And if we make bullish fair value gaps right here and then disrespect them, let's drop down then the 5-minute time frame right now. So we're on the 5-minute time frame. We got all these 15-minute fair value gaps. This is 8:30 or 8:25. 8:30 is like the next candle. So this is all before market opens. This is what we're gonna be looking at. And I'm not even like bothering to look at ES right now because I don't know. That's a lot. That is a lot. But yeah, I mean, oh, ES is not even in replay mode. That's why we're not looking at ES. Anything on the 5-minute so far? I mean, we got this tiny little. Is this even 8:30? No. So don't even worry about it. Can we exit out of this? Okay, there we go. Nothing. Continue to be nothing. I mean, we kind of got this data wick. I mean, which is just another like target, I guess, to the south or to the south side. We got that right there. Coming back up into this 15-minute fair value gap. Are we going to be disrespecting these? So we did create a bear or bullish fair value gap right here. And we're disrespecting this first one. If this comes back down, retraces, and disrespects this one, we'll probably aim for this buy side liquidity. Or we'll aim for this intermediate high right here. Just chop, wicked the fair value gap, more chop, continue to wick. Nothing going on, bro. Like we got my mouse is frozen. There we go. So we had this bullish or bearish fair value gap right here in the 5-minute, got disrespected right away. Aimed for this wick right here. So you could have taken this, disrespect, boom, higher. We got this bearish one right here. Oops. Respecting this bullish, respecting the bullish. Continue, disrespecting the bearish. Continue to go higher. We got another bullish fair value gap right here. Kind of disrespecting that. I mean, we got this bigger ones, or like this lower one that we're still respecting. Continue to. So we're disrespecting this one. I would say, I mean, honestly, you could if you wanted to, but we are respecting these bullish candles or bearish value gaps. Or we're creating them, I guess, not really respecting because we haven't tapped into them yet. But if you wanted to, you could have taken, let's see, cut here. Oh, wait, hold on. All right, you could have. If you, let's see here. So I created that fair value gap. This created a fair value gap. I mean, really, I wouldn't have taken this trade just because this would have been just created. I'm waiting for the retrace and shoot higher to this buy side liquidity up here. and I just want to see what time it is at this point. So it's 12:30. I honestly probably wouldn't have taken a trade today. That's at 12:30, so you really only have like an hour left. I probably would not have taken a trade today just because we didn't really get anything I would want. We got so much chop right here. Yeah, let's see. So this candle market opens, we shoot down, literally wicking everything, no imbalances. First, we have this. I mean, maybe I would have wanted to, if we disrespected this first 15-minute for value. Yeah, that's even at 11:30. I still wouldn't have taken this trade. Yeah, I just don't think we would have taken a trade today because, let's see, till 10:30 I like to trade. Literally absolutely nothing in here. We have this fair value gap right here, and it got wicked and didn't aim higher, nothing. You would have gotten wicked out. So honestly, probably would not have taken a trade at all. I mean, if you wanted, like, if anything, if this was my only 15-minute fair value gap right here, I would have taken this. So if I didn't have these top 15-minute fair value gaps, so let's say these were not here and they were like the only imbalance in the market in the 15-minute time frame was right here. This is the trade I would have taken because we would this 15-minute fair value gap would have got disrespected, and I would be aiming for this buy side liquidity, and I would do a 1-to-1, which means I would have been there. And I wouldn't have gotten stopped out until way later. We don't even know. Let's see. Let's speed this up a little bit. Yeah, so I wouldn't have gotten stopped out until all the way over here. Oh, I would have got stopped out here, actually. I didn't even see that. Yeah, you would have lost this trade if you took this, and if there was obviously not these 15-minute fair value gaps. But yeah, disrespecting the first one. If you would have taken this trade 1-to-1, aiming for this buy side liquidity right here, you would have got stopped out. And honestly, that's not like a terrible trade to lose, just because like you followed your rules and stuff. But yeah, that's really unfortunate. But I think that will be the video today. I wanted to take in a trade today. I didn't check news, nothing. So I'll be back Wednesday for sure. Monday, I don't know. Tuesday, I have no idea. I have finals. But after that, summer break, baby. So let's keep going. All right. I'll see you guys later, though.